suspense continues in Tamil Nadu's Game of Thrones. The AIADMK General Secretary Ms Sasikala, accompanied by 10 top ministers, met with Governor C Vidyasagar Rao, and she staked her claim to be Tamil Nadu's next Chief Minister. Her party's O Selvam also met the governor before Ms Sasikala and handed him a petition in which he explained that he resigned as the Chief Minister under duress. So 2 meetings with the governor. Sasikala's was a half-an-hour meeting is what we've heard, while Selvam's was 15 minutes. So let's go across to Srinivasan Jain for more on that. And Vasu, you have exclusive information from sources within the governor's office about what really transpired those meetings. Give us the details.
Well, absolutely. I mean, so far, once those 2 meetings were completed, we had absolutely no official information because there was no press release from Raj Bhavan, which was what was expected. So they remained cloaked with a great degree of uncertainty. But now, a key source within the ADMK, part of the delegation of ministers that met the governor along with Sasikala, revealed to us the full account of what transpired in that meeting. The governor met the ADMK delegation for 30 minutes as a whole, but he met Sasikala for 10 minutes at the end of that for a one-to-one. Now, when the delegation met the governor, Sasikala opened with a claim in English where she said, "I stake claim to form the next government." Subsequently, the ADMK delegation made a 10-point presentation to the governor. Sasikala claimed that the governor assured her in this one-to-one meeting that she will get a chance to form the government. So this is significant. According to Sasikala, and this is what she told our source, as well as the other ministers, that he did give her that assurance. But there was a rider. He said that he needed time to address the concerns of O Selvam that had been raised. He also told Sasikala that he will be going by the constitution and he will consult legal experts. Now, he didn't refer at all to the fact that there is that disproportionate assets case verdict pending, which is likely to be delivered next week. But the sources within the ADMK indicated that when he asked for more time, perhaps he was actually tacitly referring to that additional time to be able to pronounce or to invite Sasikala based on what happens in the Supreme Court. As far as the concerns raised by O Selvam is concerned, he said that Mr. Selvam said that actually he has a majority of the MLAs with him and that he can prove it if he is given about 5 days to prove his majority on the floor of the House. The ADMK delegation opposed this and said that the party has signatures of all 134 MLAs, while about 129 are definitely with them. They conceded that 5 MLAs may be with Selvam, but there's a chance that they're likely to come back. The governor said that the O Selvam camp has claimed that the signatures of these MLAs are forged and that some of them are being held in custody against their wishes and that this is a serious charge which needs investigation. So he said that those signatures need to be authenticated. The AIADMK and the governor agreed that it would be a kind of self-certification, that the Speaker of the Assembly as well as one of the key ADMK officials, the office secretary, would actually authenticate those signatures and give it to the governor. At this point, the ADMK said, and this is what a source told us, the source told us that the MLAs had actually been brought and kept somewhere near Raj Bhavan. And he said that they can be paraded before the governor if required in about a half an hour's time. But the governor said that there was no need for that and that he's happy just to get those signatures authenticated. The ADMK told him that any delay would further lead to horse trading. There's a fear that there could be a crossing over from both sides. He said that he will deliver a verdict swiftly, but like we said, that while giving that assurance to Sasikala that she is the main contender for the post as Chief Minister, he does require more time, and that is a crucial detail that has emerged from this meeting. Back to you in the studio.